welcome. I pray for your good health, good academics and everything. To Lord Almighty. Respected head of this department, Dr. Vaswani sir, all this team and distinguished alumni, I call them as friends. You are not alumni for me, you are friends because I learn so many things from them, and I am in contact with them always. And the faculties of the department, Giovanni sir, Mahajan sir, Sarde sir, and you all dear students, rather you all smart students. This is a nice gathering, and you have to take advantage of it. In what sense? You please be in connection with these people. They have got the experience of their life. And Vinod has rightly said, this is not a course just you get the degree. That piece of paper has no importance. But the real knowledge you take, the daring you get, that is important. Nobody will ask you in the interview about the percentage for MBA. Nobody. How you are useful for that particular organization, that is your real asset, that is your real value. And you have to develop, you have to see that you are a valued person, and for that you have to work here for 2 years, altogether for 2 years. I have a vast and varied experience of my life. Before this, I tell you an important thing. Just a couple of days newspaper, there was the age when the students leave their home and started living independently. In USSR, Russia, this year of the student is 19. You people are safe at home. Very well care of yours is taken up by your parents, your mother, father, and all your relatives. You have to keep yourself aloof from your family. Get detached from the family. Do something of your own. I often tell to my students not to be a servant on a big ship, but to be a owner of a small boat. After a couple of days or a couple of years, if you have a small boat, you can dare to purchase that big ship after a couple of years. And this is what happened. You go through the case studies of the industries. No work is small or no work is big. Don't be status conscious. We Indians are more status conscious. भला तेरी कमीज मेरे कमीज से सफेद नहीं. Don't go for that. The first and the foremost principle of management given by Henry Fayol is the principle of simplicity. Try to be simple. But as far as daring is concerned, risk-taking is concerned, you have to have an upgradation in that and value in yourself. This course is not that the teacher has come inside doing something on the board and you are taking down the notes. No. Whenever you are in the classroom, ask your queries. You should have your own book, notebook. It should be a difficulty book. What difficulty you have, what problem you have, what queries you have, you just ask it with due respect to your teachers. And this is the expectation from the students by this course, by this particular course. Today I am very happy and pleased to see the faces here after a long gap. Mr. Dhote, Chandal is our very own. थोड़ा सा बदमाशी करता था वो जरा, दुकान में जाके भी मैं देखा था उसको जरा, कीमत कम नहीं करता, क्योंकि वो भी किया उसने. So you please be in contact with these experienced persons. If you have any queries, sometimes if you feel something here to ask to your teachers, you may contact to these persons. They are like middlemen. They will, and certainly I request you to help to these guys whenever you are. And don't go for service in your life. जनरली बच्चे कहते हैं कुछ साल सर्विस करेंगे, बाद में अपना शुरू करेंगे. एक बार तुम सर्विस में आ गए कि इजी लाइफ है. मैं भी सोचता था मैं अपना करूंगा. अब चरडे सर तो बड़े मालदार आदमी है काटोल में, वो महाजन है महाजन. आज सबसे काटोल में प्रॉपर्टी किसके पास में है तो चरडे सर के पास में है. लेकिन वो नौकर बन गए. मुझे उसका दर्द है. मुझे उसका दर्द है. ऐसा है। अब बुरा नहीं मानते, एमबीए के लोग सब बड़े बन के रहते हैं यार, आपको ओपन माइंड, वो बिल्कुल ओपन माइंड होते हैं। ऐसा हम हंसी मजाक करते हैं, एक में की खिल्ली भी कभी उड़ाते हैं, बट दैट द रिलेशनशिप, व्हाट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑलवेज देयर एंड इट शुड हैव बीन देयर। सो वंस अगेन thank you very much for inviting me. I wish all the best to all my dear friends as alumni present here, and best of luck to you all. Thank you very much.